Hey, amazing parents! Are you constantly worried about your kids' safety online? The internet can be a wild place, with dangers like cyberbullying, inappropriate content, and malicious strangers lurking around. Imagine having real-time location tracking, instant access to their text messages and social media activity, and even custom keyword alerts that notify you of any red flags, all at your fingertips. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's a reality with mSpy. Stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to show you how mSpy can bring you unparalleled peace of mind and keep your kids safe in the digital jungle. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. While watching, if mSpy seems like the solution for you, click the link in the description for a discounted package you won't find on their website. It's the perfect step toward your kids' online safety. So, what exactly is mSpy? mSpy is a popular cell phone monitoring app launched in 2010 by a London-based tech company. It helps people keep track of what someone is doing on their phone. With mSpy, you can see things like messages sent and received, websites visited, and much more. This app has grown significantly since its launch and is now one of the most trusted monitoring apps available. This app is ideal for parents who want to monitor their children's online activities to ensure their safety. It's also useful for people who suspect their partner might be cheating and want to keep an eye on their phone usage. Employers can use mSpy to monitor their employees' phone activities, ensuring they are using their time productively. Now, let's explore some of the key features that make mSpy stand out. These features are designed to give you a comprehensive view of the target device's activities. The mSpy dashboard is your command center for monitoring the target device. It organizes all activities into different sections, making it easy to keep track of everything. Even if you're not tech-savvy, the dashboard is designed to be straightforward and accessible. Messages are a primary mode of communication these days, and mSpy lets you check not only regular SMS, but also private conversations on apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, Snapchat, and Viber. You'll get a complete report on who your target device holder is texting, basic information about the recipient, and even a peek into the images videos shared. With mSpy's keyword alerts, you can flag certain words and be notified if those words appear in a conversation. This feature is great for parents worried about their kids engaging in risky behaviors. Instead of constantly monitoring texts, you can rely on these alerts to notify you of concerning keywords. mSpy's keylogger records every single keystroke made on the device. Whether it's a typed message that wasn't sent, a note, or a search query, mSpy tracks it all. This feature is particularly useful for capturing disappearing messages on apps like Snapchat and Instagram. mSpy offers real-time location tracking, so you can see where the target device is at all times. Additionally, with geofencing, you can set up virtual boundaries and receive notifications if the device crosses those boundaries. This feature is great for parents wanting to ensure their children's safety or for partners wanting peace of mind. mSpy also tracks the Wi-Fi networks they connect to, providing you with details about the network name, connection duration, and connection date. This feature helps you understand where the user hangs out most often. With mSpy, you can monitor and restrict the apps and websites your target user accesses. You'll get a complete list of all downloaded apps and visited websites. If necessary, you can remotely block access to specific apps and websites. mSpy provides instant access to the target device's call list, showing who they talk to, call duration, and timestamps. You can also access detailed caller information, such as names and phone numbers. This feature helps you keep track of who the target user is in touch with. mSpy allows you to monitor the target user's calendar, providing insights into upcoming events, including event names, venues, and timestamps. This is helpful for keeping track of planned activities and ensuring the user's safety. mSpy lets you access the target device's media files, such as images and videos, ensuring the user is not interacting with inappropriate content. This feature provides timestamps for when files were downloaded, helping you understand the context of the media files. Now, there is a question. How to get started with mSpy? Getting started with mSpy is simple. Click the link in the description to create an account and choose the subscription plan that best fits your needs. Download the mSpy app onto the target device, and within minutes, you'll be able to start monitoring. The user-friendly dashboard makes it easy to navigate through all the collected data. mSpy offers different subscription options depending on how long you want to use the service. You can choose from a 1-month plan at around $48, a 3-month plan at about $28 per month, or a 12-month plan at roughly $11 per month. To sum it up, mSpy stands out as one of the best monitoring and tracking software solutions with a comprehensive set of features. It's reliable, competitively priced, and supported by a friendly customer service team. Whether you're a parent, partner, or employer, mSpy provides the tools you need to ensure the safety and productivity of those you care about. If you're interested in trying out mSpy, click the link in the description below to get started. Thank you for watching, and if you found this review helpful, please please leave a like and subscribe for more insightful reviews.